So hello guys, this is a live video on how to create a shipping site. But it's not just one easy step. It's not like we can just do it so fast and stuff like that. We have to understand the basics of how to even create a shipping site. We should understand what domain mean. We have to understand web hosting. We have to understand WordPress, CMS, because we'll be using WordPress. The reason why I'm using WordPress is that we have some plugins we can use in WordPress that can help us to track shipments, that can help us to create invoice and everything like that. Now I have some tools that I actually bought. I bought these tools for creating shipping sites. Those are WordPress tools, but I'll be sharing it out once we are done with the whole series. So this series will be a series of 4 videos. So this first video, I'll be putting you through on the basics of even starting the shipping sites. First of all, I'll be showing you how you can get your domain name, how you can get your your web hosting and the likes like that. So first of all, let's talk about domain name. A domain is just a name, let's put it that way, an internet name for your business. Is not basically a name like that. Let me put it this way. When you want to like in basic life now, we have different people and we call them by their names, right? Now a domain name is what your website is going to be called. You understand? So we have to first of all even purchase a domain name. So a web host is where you are going to be hosting your domain and also the content of your website or the content of your whatever you are working on. So you have to get those two things, and they are paid. There are some platforms that provide them free, I don't know, but most platforms though are paid. So there are different platforms where you can get your domain name, your web hosting. An example is GoDaddy. HostGator is there, Namecheap.com and the likes. So most of the time I use GoDaddy. GoDaddy at the moment now is expensive. There are some Nigerian web hosting services like Google Host. Sometimes they will even provide you free services. So let's just dive into it. So let me show you how you get your web host. So for now I'm using GoDaddy. So what you can do is that you can just type GoDaddy web hosting services. That's what you can do. Services. So when you type in GoDaddy web hosting services, you will see there are different services. Now there's a very cheap one at the moment. That one is called Vapex. You can go to vapex.com. Now vapex.com will show you cheap services that you can actually get. Now you see what Vapex. There are different services and there are different deals on it. We have the one of one website, unlimited bandwidth, free domain and transfer, free daily backup, 24 tech support, blah blah blah. I will be going for this one. This one is a cheap one and it's the cheapest, let me put it that way. And it's 0.5 dollars per month. So basically it's going to be like $12 or something. Not even 12, sorry, $6. Yeah, like $6 in a year. So I'm going to start with that. Now, the good part about this one is that it provides you a free domain. So you don't have to buy a domain again. It provides you a free domain that you can use. But one thing about it is that it has only one website. You can only host one website on it. This one I have to get. It has a 10 gigabyte bandwidth. There is limitation to this too because you're not able to host so many things. But since it's just a shipping site, let's start with this. It has 1 gig disk storage, blah blah blah. Now SSL. All of you should know what SSL is, but if you don't, it's fine. SSL is just a security measure on your domain. Now, it prevents hackers from getting to your website. So SSL is a very nice thing to get on your website. If you don't even get SSL, payments will not be able to be made on your platform. It can be made, but Google and some other search engine will not allow users, like it will keep on prompting, this is a scam website, and we don't want that. So you can get SSL. So you can actually follow this Vapex. I'll put a link for the description so you can get what I'm saying. So when you get this Vapex web hosting package, you see I will just choose London, and here I can now put in the name of my domain. So for now, I'll just call it. I'm not going to be getting anyone right now, though. Now the reason why it's 48 on my end is because $48 on my end is because I've gotten a web host from them before. So if your first time coming on that platform, it will be cheap. It will be maximum of $12 to $16 to get everything. But since I've been here before, so I'm not going to be purchasing. I've using a site I've used before. So what I need to do now is just enter the name of my domain. I can remember setasomething.com. See, they even give me option, and I can register the domain. So I can just click on this. $13 per year is too much. It's because it's a very requested name. So when I do this add to basket, it will add it to my basket. I go to the cart, and here I'll see the total amount I'm paying, and I can just use my card or my virtual card to pay. So on the comment section, if you want me to show you how to get virtual cards, how to create virtual cards, reach out to me on the comment section. I will teach you that. So you make your payment, and that is it. We are gone. We are ready to start developing our website. Okay, so what you need to do next now, there's a tool I said I got that will make everything so easy for you. On Team Forest, there's what we call Team Forest. Team Forest contains WordPress themes you can use for your website. So I have an account on Team Forest, and I have some tools I bought. So I'm going to sign in. Let me sign in with this. It's not allowing me to sign in with. What is wrong? Okay, I know why. Okay, I'm just going to copy this. Let me go to my other Google account. In a minute. I'll just sign in here. So when I sign in, yeah. So I can sign in with this, and I'm logged in. So there's a tool I said I got. I'll go to my downloads. I'm going to make this available. If you need this, let me know. I'll make it available. Now see this. Mikago is a logistic and transportation WordPress theme. Let me download it. I'm going to download the files only. So what you can do is that just download the installation WordPress file. So reach out to me on the comment section if you want me to provide you, at the end of this tuition, if you want me to provide you the site I created. Reach out to me on the comment section. I would give you my phone number so I can actually provide you the site, and you can host it yourself. A pre-done site, but this is me teaching you how to do it just in case. Now this tutorial I'm going through, it's something that they pay hundreds of thousands of naira to learn. I'm not joking. No, I do my things for free. Okay, so now I've downloaded the theme. This is the theme I'm going to be using. So now I have to go back to my account, my Vertex account, and log into my domain, or my web hosting service rather, package. Where is it? Yes, yeah. So I'll just go back to Vertex. That's after now all this process. Now I'm skipping the process of purchasing, but I've explained it to you, so it's not going to be an issue purchasing. So now I'm going to go to my Vertex account, log in. You know what? Let me just log in on my normal account. Yeah. So I'm going to log in with this account. This is my email. Don't spam mail. Now, once you log in, you start seeing sites you bought before, domain name you bought. You see this domain name that I got some time ago. You can see $16, as I said. It shouldn't be more than this. See the name, blah blah.com. So I can actually access the back end from here. I hope I don't have any important information being exposed here now. So from here now, I can go to this. You see this web hosting service. I click on it. See everything. I'm going to blur this out. Yep. So now I can go to my products and services. This is the one I got. I want to log into the cPanel. Now, cPanel is the area of your website that controls everything regarding your website, your content, your security, blah, blah, blah. It controls everything. So I want to log in there. So this is it. The web hosting. You can see my name, starmarkps.com. See the web hosting service. I'm going to click on it. Now you see, log into cPanel. I'm going to log into cPanel. Now I'm logged into cPanel. Now you can see cPanel controls everything. Your email accounts, the emails you want to create. All the emails you want to create for your site, cPanel contains it. Your autoresponder, everything. You can just explore this. It's a very nice section to explore. But the main place you are going to be working with here on this area is the WordPress area. You click on WordPress because it's WordPress you'll be using to create this site. You get what I'm saying? So on WordPress, you see this section. It's a section that controls everything regarding your WordPress installation. Now you click on install. When you click on install, you can see it's going to ask you for your domain name. You select domain name. This is the only domain name I have there. Remember I spoke about domain name. Is it an HTTPS? Is it secure? Yes. I want to add a directory at the front. Let's call it shipping. You don't need to do this. So yeah, it will ask you what do you want to name it. I'll just say okay, Dio shipping site. Sorry about that. Dio shipping site. I'll just write something here again. This is Dio. This is Dio shipping site. My password, I'm going to change this later on, don't worry. So it's fine. And all I need to do now is go down here and install. And it starts installing. It's installing my website. I'm ready to create my website. I know that this might be a bit boring, but this is just a normal process. It's our job. It's a normal process. We have to go through it. So now the website is available online. You can see http://starmarkps.shipping.com/shipping, and this is my admin panel. I can log into my admin panel and I can also open the website. Let me open the website now. You see the website. See how it looks like. There's nothing there, just a normal WordPress template. Now I need to, on this section, I'm opening my admin so I can start making changes, upload the theme I downloaded that I bought, and I'll upload it and I'll use it to create the site. Now I will log into my admin dashboard. Just clicking on this link will log you there. And remember, you have to know your username and your password. If there's any question on the comment section, please let me know. Just let me know in the comment section rather. So now I'm logged into my WordPress dashboard. This is my WordPress dashboard. All I need to do now is go to on this left hand side, go to the appearance section and click on themes. See different themes that you can use, and you can also search for different themes right here. There's Ocean WP. There are different themes you can search for, but at the moment I'm not searching for anything. I want to add a new theme, the one that I bought. So all I need to do is upload a theme. It will ask me to upload from my file section. I'll click on the choose file, see the theme I just downloaded. I'm going to open it, and voila, I have to install it. It will take a bit of time though. Okay, so it's done installing. It's going to show you this area. All you need to do now is activate it. Activating the WordPress theme, now you see it's active. Now if you go back to your website link and reload it, do you see the theme I installed? But at the same time, there's still nothing there. So all you need to do is you go back here to your WordPress dashboard, and you click on the theme details. And what you need to do now is install plugins. These are plugins that come with the theme itself. So you click on them and you install them. You need to install them and you need to activate them. Now these plugins are what are going to be used in designing your website, adding functionality to your website as well. It's even going to ask me for some other things. It's going to ask me for some codes, because these codes that come with the thing when I bought it. I would use the code from my dashboard. From this dashboard, I'll download the code right now, so you can see what I'm saying. But in the background, I'm going to open it in the background. But I'm going to be sharing this code. If you would really need it, I'll be sharing it to you guys too. But at the moment, I'll open it in the background. Okay, so it should have been done installing. Okay, should have been done installing. So all I need to do now is return to plugin installer so I can activate every one of them. Now they are all installed. All I need to do now is activate, and you should start activating. Yeah, I said one of the plugins is invalid. I don't know why, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, so let me go back to my plugin section. There's a plugin section here, install plugins. Go back to it and see there's something that has an issue. This one has an issue, but we can fix that. There's no problem. We can fix that. So what I need to do now is I want to install a demo, a design template that is there already on the theme. So this is the design template they have. All I need to do is just import demo data. See this? Continue and import. It takes some time to actually import. That's one thing about it. It takes some time, but it doesn't matter too. As I said, we have to take that process. I have to go through that process for everything to be done. So I'll fast forward this video till when it is done. So on the comment section too, let me know if you're having issues getting a domain name and getting a web hosting service. I will create another video that is very easy to understand on how to do this. I skipped it because we have a lot of things to talk about here, and most people I think know about these things already. So now I've imported my demo, and now I can visit my website again. Let me just go back to the link and click on it, and you'll see the magic that comes up. Now this site is ready. Okay, there's an issue. Now I understand what is going on here. What I need to do is I have to go back to my plugins. So I was able to find the issue was this plugin. So all I did is I just downloaded the plugin again. I'll be sending this together to the files that will be needed. So when I install the plugin, so all we need to do now is go back to our site. All you can do, you can actually go from here to view your site. Now, immediately I view my site, now you see my shipping site is come to limelight. You can see the screens looking very professional, looking really nice. It even comes up with content for you, images. There are a lot of images you can use. You can see you can even create a quote from it too. Very nice designs. This is from the theme I installed. You can see this. You can edit all this. You can see this, view more. You can see all this. Let me open this in another tab. You can see blogs, everything. Now if I open this in another tab, okay, you know what, let me open other pages. Let me open the about us pages. See the about us pages, it has been done for you already. Everything has been done for you already. You can go to another page. You can go to the contact us page too. I'm very sure it comes with the demo, so that's been fixed already. It's taking some time. Let me just go over to something else before I get there. You can go to projects. It's still loading. You can see the project. It's showing you project. You can click on one to see details about the project. You see everything. Like, it has created the template all for you for your shipping site. Now all you need to do now is start to edit to what you want it to be. Start adding content. Now in my next video, I'll be showing you how to edit the content and design the website to your tastes using a tool called Elementor. After this video, our other video, I'll be showing you how to add your shipping shipping tracking, to the website. How to track shipping that is coming over to you and the likes. That you can even create shipping ID. You can create invoice for your clients or for your customer and the likes. And on our third video, we'll be wrapping it up and we'll be viewing it on the web. It's even currently on the web. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video. Please, I make this very short so that we won't get bored and we can understand it little by little. So on our next video, I'll be pointing you out how to edit all these things. Yeah, thank you, and follow me.